Are in Tulum. Say hey! We are at the spa because what do you do when your girlfriend calls you up and says, do you have your passport? And you say all day, every day, and she brings you to a fabulous place where everything is free. I haven't had to pay for one thing since I've been here. And so I say, how can I say thank you to a beautiful friend like that? So I thought, why don't I take my friend to the spa? So that's what we did. I'm going to turn it around so you guys can see this fabulous pool. Now this pool isn't just any pool. This is like a pool that you just swim in, as you can tell by the lounging sheets and all the little positions you can sit in. This is a big old fat hot tub is what it is. And it's got jets. The lady told us, she said, there are jets for all parts of the body and I highly recommend getting in. So like, okay. So y'all see this lovely place? They have the bar back there. It's gorgeous. And then they have an inside unit that has an even smaller pool that we were in. And we also did, I call it the Scandinavian ice plunge because that's what they call it in Jeju. But it's really cold and we got in there. And so do y'all see this beautiful pod? Look at this place. It is gorgeous. If you are coming to Tulum, you have to do your best to try to stay at the Hilton Riviera Maya. You have to do your best. You have to do your best because this place is absolutely amazing. It's brand spanking new. When my friend's company booked their trip, the resort wasn't even finished. So it's gorgeous, you guys. It's gorgeous. I love it. It's been beautiful. We haven't done much of anything except be on the beach. Oh man, look at there. All we've done is lounge on the beach. So today we had exercise on the beach. Yesterday we had exercise on the beach again. Tomorrow we have some exercise on the beach. We've been eating at all the places. We danced till we could dance no more. And now we are spaaing. Tomorrow we are also going on an excursion. So it's lovely. And so these rooms here, as you can see, these are the massage areas. So we're waiting on our massage. Monica is getting an aromatherapy massage because she likes it nice and light and relaxed. I am getting a deep tissue, but not too deep. I've been having some lower back pains and got some shoulder issues, so I really needed to get in there. And then just from being on the computer a lot, working, I need for them to really dig into these shoulders and get me relaxed. And so that's what they're going to do. And it'll give me time to relax, and I've enjoyed this retreat for myself because I left my entire family at home. So my husband is back holding down the fort. The only fort he has to hold down is Christopher, and if you know Christopher, that's a big task for anybody. But they are making it happen, and thank you to my friend Alina, who loves me so much, and she's been going literally picking up Christopher every day and taking him to hockey practice and getting her son to pick him up after hockey practice, and she brings him back home. I mean, you gotta love friends. You gotta love friends, which I absolutely do. So I'm so grateful for my friends. I got one that's taking me to Tulum, and I got one that's taking care of my kid, and they're just doing a wonderful job. So I'm grateful. I'm grateful to friends. If you don't have friends, call me up and I'll help you get some friends because everybody needs to have a friend. I'm also super excited for my friend Monica because Monica's been helping me on my health, and she's been helping me get healthy and just really get my body back on track. She gave me this great idea for something for me because I have a hard time sleeping, and so do two of my boys. And so I'm going to be getting I'm going to be getting that supplement and trying that for myself because I need some sleep. I need to be able to fall asleep easy and get some great rest. So I'm super excited about that. And then I've been on my 21-pound journey, and so I got another 20 pounds to go. So here's Monica again, help me with my 20 pounds to go. So I'm super excited about that. So I'll let you guys know. I'll keep you on the journey. I've been wearing my little bathing suits. I've been happy in them. George has been happy in seeing them too. So it's been great. I hope you guys, this place is just gorgeous. We walk over to some more little spots. Hi, ladies. So we go through here, and there's more massage areas. This is how many people are getting massages at this place. You got tons of massage areas. These nice little cabanas where they just take you in, and it's all peaceful, and it's just you. And they got all this lush gardens. I mean, you're just back here in the back and you can't see nothing. It's just gorgeous. Just absolutely gorgeous. I love it. I love it. And it's just so peaceful. I can't wait to get, when we get done, we'll go back to the beach and we'll just chill out and just lay on the beach with our sunglasses on. And oh my gosh, the beautiful sunset that we caught today, and you guys will see it because I'll put it up so you can. But this is where I am. If you want to know more about this trip, let me know. I'll give you all the deets so that you can plan one for yourself, or you can have great friends like I do who take you on the trip and you ain't got to pay for it. But guys, it's been great. I hope you've enjoyed this time. Okay, so you know I cannot just come to Tulum and come to this spa and just say hey, goodbye after I show you the spa. I got to give you some kind of tip. So let me give you a tip, a real estate tip. So I got a lot of people asking me, is it a good time to buy? Let me tell you something. It's the best time to buy. The best time to buy is right now, because there's a lot of chatter. There's a lot of chatter of the feds raising the rates. This is the Fed's idea of pushing us into a recession to drive inflation down. This is their idea. So their idea is to take the interest rate so far so that it forces everything else to go down. Well, let me tell you guys something where it comes to housing. It's not going to force housing to come down that much. What they're going to force is they're going to force people to stay in their houses longer. You ever go to those houses and you wonder why the people who live there have lived there for 20, 30 years? This is something that, this is the reason why that they live there for that long. Sometimes it's they're waiting till their kids graduate from school because they want to live in the school district, but then things like this happen. So people aren't just going to lower the prices of their house, they're going to stay there. So it's a good time for you to buy before the feds do what they're going to do, because what it's going to do is it's going to cause more investors to get into the market to buy up the houses and to rent them to you. So instead of renting somebody's property, stop what you're doing. Give us a call and let's go out and find you a house, because it's about time. It's about that time. And remember, I know a lot of you are saying, oh, they're going to raise the interest rate. Remember, when I bought my first house, the interest rate was 8.675. I was talking to my friend Monica. She bought her house about 3 years before me, and her interest rate was 7%. So people, let me tell you, the rate is not going down. The rate was already high. It started going down, and then it's going back up to where it came from. I know people can tell you when they remember rates that were 22%. Somebody was on a tour ride with us today, and they were telling us their rate was 14%. Guys, I'm telling you, rates aren't going down. So they're just going back to where they once came from. So if you don't want to have to deal with that, buy a house. Another thing, there are some other ways too that our team has some strategies where we can get you some lower rates. If you want to know those strategies on how we can get you those lower rates, all you got to do is DM me, reach out to us, and we will tell you we have the strategies that we have so we can help you maybe get a rate lower than 5, a rate lower than 4. So if you're interested, DM me and we'll talk. Hope you guys have enjoyed this Tulum moment. It's gorgeous. I'm gonna go sit and enjoy the lush of these gardens, the beauty of this pool, and the relaxation of my massage. Deuces.